How to hide your Twitter account from someone. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Twitter account from someone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Twitter app. Tap on Menu. In the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, tap on Audience and Tagging. Turn on Protect Your Tweets. By enabling this feature, your Twitter profile will become private and no one will be able to see your tweets except the people you approve. To find follow requests, go back to the menu, then tap on follower requests. Here you will see follower requests. You will get the option to approve or disapprove. So this is how you can hide your Twitter account from someone.